In this video, you'll learn how to easily add a logo to your WordPress website. By following these steps, you will successfully upload and display your logo on your site. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com homepage. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Sites at the top of the screen. This is where you will manage your WordPress sites. After locating the Sites option, click on it. This action will direct you to a page that displays all the WordPress sites you have created. Identify the specific site to which you wish to add a logo and click on its name. This will open the site editor for that particular website. Once the site editor is open, you will see a close button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to proceed. This action may take a moment as the interface adjusts to your selection. Next, look for a plus icon on the screen. This icon typically signifies the option to add new elements to your site. Click on the plus icon to access a menu of available elements you can insert into your site. After accessing the menu, select the option labeled Image. This will allow you to add an image to your website. Once you click on Image, the interface will present you with options related to image uploading. Now, you will see an option that says Upload an image. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your logo. This action will open your device's File Explorer, allowing you to select the logo file you wish to upload. At this point, browse through your files and choose the image you want to use as your logo. Once you find the desired file, click on it to select it. After selecting the image, click the Open button in the File Explorer. This will initiate the upload process. Once the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation that the image has been successfully embedded. You should now see your logo displayed on the site editor. Ensure that the logo appears correctly and is positioned to your liking before finalizing your changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.